Hey guys, it's Josiah here, and we're gonna be playing some Roblox. I'm gonna join my sister, and we're gonna play some Ace Attorney. Here we go, let's play. See how fun this is gonna be. Okay, so guys, I caught a guy bullying, so that's why I'm taking him to court. Taking him to court and justice. And yes, so what we're going to be doing is taking people to court, because on Knockout Simulator somebody kicked me off the map, and then I'm taking them to court, and then I'll become a cop and they'll be inside the prison. Okay, so let's do this. This is taking forever. Would you like to? Okay, you know what? Never mind, guys. I'm gonna be playing something else. Let's play some Arsenal. Arsenal. I'm gonna be playing some Arsenal, and we're gonna. Okay, yeah. The Amazing Spider-Man. Be Spider-Man. Let's do this. Gosh. So yeah, we're gonna confirm that Spider-Man is not what he seems. Okay, so guys, and why? Look, guys, up here. He's actually uses the earth, the sky. It's the sky. 7, 11. Can I stick to walls? Yes, I can. Now, how do I jump down? I think I broke it. Let's just... So let's do this. And Spider-Man being a fake and a phony? Confirmed. Uh-oh. Whee! Toys R Us. Not anymore. Toys R Us closed. Look, what the heck, Spider-Man? Do you have any logic or what? Why? Sticks to walls, spins a web. Can't even get off the wall he's sticking onto. I mean, the Amazing Spider-Man, sure, yeah. Admins hate him. Yeah, no. We're actually going to be playing some Snap Simulator. Death Zone. Suit Taco Bell. Oof. Okay, you know what? Arsenal. Let's play some Arsenal. Actually, seriously, we're gonna be playing some Arsenal, killing them, and we're gonna win. Okay, so let's see. Now, guys, we're gonna be playing. Why does it have this? Oh, glass. Okay. Gift for you. What does gift for you do? Confirm. I'm gonna deploy. I'm gonna be on this team. What? Oh, here we go. Oh. We are steal kills and bring some chills. Pepper gun. Pepper gun. Oh, let's go get these peeps. Come get some. If you can't tell, there's a bunch of shooting going on, and yeah. Recommend playing this game. It's pretty fun, so let's do this. Why do I have this stupid gun? Get it away from me. Is there anything else I can use? Oh my gosh, SMGs, everything. Every single gun you can imagine. Hey, come back here. Can't find any. Oh. Somebody has the golden knife. Got it! A baseball launcher! Open up the gift, idiot! Let's do street corner. Kill confirmed. 2 teams. Yes, come on. Kill confirmed. Come on. Okay, I'm doing a kill confirmed. Ooh. Can't break in. Feel like I'm in an important game. I got an SMG spray. Someone's trying to shoot at me. Where are they? Where are they? Oh my gosh, this is so annoying. Can't find your target. Riley Mom! Yes. Go subscribe to Flamingo. He's a really good player. Well, I mean a really good YouTuber. Go watch Flamingo. He's pretty cool. Oh, I found the guy who's killing us all. Oh, I killed him. No scopes. Oh. Riley! If you can't tell, there's a bunch of shooting. So yeah. Someone's shooting right now. Riley! Mom! 28! Darn it. Ooh, somebody got a minigun. Yes. Stop. Stop. Riley, Mom. Where are you? Ooh. Haha. Ouch. So if I kill someone, they're gonna break into glass. Because they're made out of glass. Ooh. Someone just got broke. Ooh. Streak of 4. Can I break it? Let's try and get this. I recommend this game if you like Fortnite and you're grounded from Fortnite. If you're grounded from Fortnite, this is the next best thing. It's kind of like Fortnite. You don't build. I got a potato launcher. Yes, let's go. Let's get these guys with potatoes. So yeah, if you can't play Fortnite and you have Roblox, play them. Play this. And you'll be able to win. I got a gift for you, idiot. A teddy bear! See, it actually works. That's pretty cool. Dust 2. Brick battle 2 teams. Come on. Brick battle, brick battle, brick battle. Ah. Dizzy and 2 teams. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this, guys. We're gonna be playing. Never mind, I'm gonna be on blue. Comrade! Comrade! Darn it. Same person killed me. Comrade! 13 health. Bruh. Get lasered. Ooh. It's probably like a trigger. It's a... I cannot get anything. I'm a... Let's do this. Okay, guys, let's see. Oh, that was awesome. Okay, let's try and get some more people. Ouch. Okay, guys, this looks like all I have for you today. I'm gonna see you later. And, yeah. Goodbye. Escape. So yeah, goodbye guys, and I'm gonna see you later, and hope you have a wonderful time. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, notifications, and have a good rest of the day.